Hey everyone, so this is the seventh video of this course, and in this video I will cover that how we can find the topics for your YouTube videos. So there would be two parts to this video. In the first part I will show you that how you can manually find the topics for your next YouTube video by taking inspiration from your competitors. And in the second video I will show you that how you can find the topics for your next video using vidIQ tool. So let's go with the first part of this video. So as we have now finalized our niche. So the first step is that we type our main keywords in the YouTube search results and find our competitors. So in my niche, I am going with the travel niche, and in the travel, I have chosen top 10 things to do in dash countries or dash cities. So I will be typing here top 10 things to do in, and now just press enter. Okay, so now YouTube has suggested us some of the videos, and you can see that the first channel that I can see is Hungry Passport. So open this channel in a new tab and let's see what kind of videos they are actually making in general. Click on the video section over here, and as you can see that they are mostly working on top 10 things to do. So let's mark this one as our competitor over here, and now let's see the other channels that are working in the same niche. I hope this one is also working in the same niche. Just click on video. Okay, things to do in India, Mumbai, and so on. So this channel is also working on the same subcategory. So this one is also my competitors. So just choose 3 to 4 channels that are working on the same niche. So you have more and more video ideas across the globe. I guess this one is also my competitor and is working in the same niche. Okay, so now just click again on the video section and check out that whether they are creating
Did you know
more
that
such
Minnesota is
videos
home to
as
the
well.
most named lakes in the US?
Okay, top 10 best places, top 10 best places, 10 countries Americans can easily move to. So this channel also makes videos on top 10 things to do. So this is my competitor as well. So now we have three competitors over here. The first one, the second one, and the third one. And now you can see that we have a lot of videos on these channels, and we can take inspiration from these channels like this video 10 things top 10 things to do in Florence. So you can also make a video on this topic, and obviously you would be writing your own script, so there is no copyright option over there, and there are hundred of videos on the same topic, so that wouldn't be any issue. So we are just getting the inspiration from our competitors. And the second thing is you can just click on the most popular videos over here. Okay, so these videos, top 10 things to do in London, top 10 things to do in Barcelona. So these videos are the most popular ones, so you should tag these videos as a priority and start making content on these kind of videos in the first place. Okay, so that's how you can find manually that what kind of videos your competitors are making and what kind of videos you can create. So that was the first part, and in the next part I will show you that how you can get an idea of your next video from vidIQ.